We're Eamon and Bec, and we've recently shipped our van from Canada to England to adventure across Europe. And while we wait for our van to sail across the Atlantic, we've taken an extended layover in beautiful Iceland, where we rented yet another camper van to explore. Today we'll show you why this country is called the Land of Fire and Ice. Good morning, or should I say afternoon, from Iceland. Eamon and I are well rested.
Oh, aren't we ever?
Ready to take on the day and get a little bit organized. We've got a few activities planned over the next couple of days, so today is going to be our grocery, begin our drive, maybe hot spring afternoon. Of all of the many recommendations we've had since getting to Iceland, the number one thing you guys have told us is go to Bonus for groceries because it's the cheapest and most accessible grocery store. So also, we're at Bonus.
Yesterday, I don't think we showed them, but we went to a vegan restaurant. So there's a few different vegan restaurants in town. Vegan's definitely a thing.
It was called Glacier.
And we'll see how we go here. So far, we are very impressed with the Bonus. I think it's time to go. Thank you.
You're welcome. Now the real adventure begins. We've got to fit all our groceries in this tiny house.
Oh! Oh.
Buddy, it's tiny. Remember, duck before entry.
If anybody's wondering, it was 9,000 krona, and that's about $71. So I didn't think that was that expensive. We bought a lot of food.
Okay, buddy, we got our 4 items. The fridge is full. Alright, we'll just have to eat the rest now, I guess.
That's nice. Cheers.
Cheers.
Can you pass the stove?
Where do I find it?
It's at the front.
Sure. Here, buddy.
Thanks, buddy.
The stove.
Thank you. For lunch today, we're gonna just have a quick grilled cheese. We found this awesome bread and this awesome cheese. And that's all you need for a grilled cheese, right? Some coconut oil.
Woo! We got fire, baby. Crack the door so we don't die.
Yep.
Cheers.
Heard, babe. Now, I don't know if we've talked about this on the vlog. I think we have. Big fan of ketchup and grilled cheese. Big fan.
And me? Not at all.
More for me.
That's so gross. You can't even taste the cheese. You just taste ketchup.
That's childhood right there.
They have to help us settle the bet. Ketchup with grilled cheese or not?
Pull it. Pull it, kids.
Pull it.
We got the pull right here for you. Take a second. Let me know your thoughts. My prediction is 50-50.
There are many reasons van life makes you slow down, but a perfect example would be this. We have just a wee little stove to make the grilled cheeses, so we can literally only make one at a time. Well, I guess it's the wee little pan as well. So we're eating a half a sandwich each, but we're just going slow.
And you'd expect maybe a nicer view here in Iceland, but you know, the Bonus parking lot is just fine.
It's no little crowd, but still you are standing out. I'm sitting with you now, swear that I might leave the ground. Wish we were moving half speed. I want to feel you, feel me.
We are just arriving to the trailhead. Oh yeah, thanks. Just arriving to the trailhead, we see quite a number of cars, but I did read on a blog post that there's enough hot thermal river to go around, so I think it's about a 30-minute hike, and I think it'll be well worth it. So time to put our bathing suits on and get hiking. Is that light on because we're in here, or can you turn it off?
No, I think it's because the door's open.
Do you have your layer? Oh, should I layer again?
Are you cold right now?
I'll be fine because we're gonna be walking, right?
Yep.
Keys?
Half an hour walk to the thermal river. Thermal river. Let's go.
Why don't we forget all the distractions? I should just be focusing on you. Why don't we just silence all the noise and lower both our voices and talk slow?
After a 30-minute walk, I think we're arriving at the hot spring river. I'm just going to say it's extra windy in Iceland, so sorry for the audio. And you can also tell you're approaching because that eggy smell just gets more and more intense. Nothing like it, eh, babe? Come on. There are quite a few people in the river, but we've just walked a little bit, like literally 10 seconds up, and we found ourselves our own little hot pool. So we're gonna get in there.
I just met some locals on the way in and said, you know, just chatting with them. First of all, you can drink any water in Alaska, which is pretty sweet.
We're not in
even
Alaska.
This water. he's from Alaska. Any water in Iceland is fair game. And this is the spot because this is super hot water and then it connects with the cold water so you can kind of dabble in both.
Ooh, I like that.
All right, let's get nasty.
Yeah.
Baby, we should go. I don't want a room so full. But I want you to know just how special I see you. I wish we were moving half speed. I want to feel you, feel me. Why don't we forget all the distractions?
After what was supposed to be a 30-minute hike, we're back at the van.
My favorite hikes are always the ones that are a little bit challenging but so rewarding when you get to the summit. So I would say that river was the biggest reward possible.
Rewarding to get there, rewarding to get back. We're gonna make some B's on T's.
Pizza on cheese.
That's just what I felt like.
Just a little bit better than the bonus parking lot.
This view is ridiculous.
2 kilometers at the roundabout, take the 3rd exit.
She's really making it not very dramatic.
Oh, that sucks, dude.
A bird just knocked our drone out of the sky and broke it,
Broke its left arm.
like completely broke it. I think it's done and we are heartbroken because of all the countries we wanted to drone in. This one is going to be so beautiful.
Should we go back to Reykjavik?
Oh,
They'll definitely have one there.
oh my gosh.
Huge heartbreaker. I mean,
Oh.
here's the problem here. It was the bird's fault. It wasn't even my fault. I can't even blame myself.
No, or me. Of course, that's the only time I've ever held the drone in my hands.
Yeah, literally, I got into the car and passed it to her. And I looked at the screen. I was like, Bec? The problem is, if we go back to Reykjavik today,
Yeah,
it's not even going to be open, meow.
exactly. It's like 9 p.m. Even though it looks like it's 4 p.m., it's 9 p.m. Yeah, it's not going to be open, babe. And we've got this beautiful accommodation waiting for us. Gotta get a code to the access. What am I trying to say? Got it. You need an access
Just
code.
keep going. Who
We're
invited
in.
us here?
Blueview Cabins! I'm super excited. We haven't showered since we've been back home in Toronto, so
Yeah,
this is going to be
everything.
a wonderful, wonderful stay. I can already see how beautiful it's going to be too. Can't wait to show you guys around.
Is her name Judy?
No, I don't know where
What's
you're
her
coming up
name?
with Judy.
I thought her name was Judy. Do I go left here?
Yes, please.
She did mention that this is a newer one and the hot tub is not in yet. So there's typically hot tubs. I saw these people are chilling in tubs.
Tough life, eh?
Tough life.
Oh, wow. So beautiful. I love it.
I love it.
I haven't even been inside yet. I love it so much.
Oh my god, there's a shoehorn.
I bathroom.
Thanks, Judy. It's beautiful. Look at that. Look, what's up with the floating toilets here in Iceland?
I don't know.
The toting floatets.
Oh my god.
Oh, love it. Love it.
I gotta find her real name. Hold on. Her name is Ina.
Ina, thank you so much. I apologize that I keep calling you Judy. I don't know where Judy came from, but this is gorgeous.
Today, while I was in that hot spring river, I had a little moment of gratitude. Just unbelievably grateful for the life we're living and all of the amazing things we get to see and do. And arriving here and knowing I get to go shower. I can't even speak. I'm just so excited and so happy. I've got my bud in the kitchen. Hey, bud.
No place I'd rather be.
Are you making breakfast and dinner right now?
Yes, ma'am.
Wow.
Judy, great kitchen.
How awesome is our lives, Bubba?
It's ridiculous. I mean, the weather's been good. The attitudes have been great. The drone crashed today, but no real complaints.
No kidding. I'm trying to get you centered there. Okay. Dinner, shower, all that kind of good stuff.
Tonight we're doing chili con sin carne.
Sí, claro. Oh, it smells like sulfur.
Sky's beautiful and so are you.
We were gonna leave you guys with that beautiful time lapse for the evening, but I'm crazy, and this midnight sun has me going crazy. It's 11:30 p.m. and I've convinced Eamon to take me to the active geyser that's only 15 minutes away from here. Is that locked? Nope.
It's like a long dream. You're on the wrong team.
Not much traffic at this time.
It's such a nice
Haven't seen a single car.
from freaking Toronto traffic, huh?
Oh, there's a light and there's a fire coming out of me every time I see.
Welcome to the Geyser Hot Spring area, which became active more than 1,000 years ago. Although the geyser is less active these days, it did lend its name to hot springs all over the world. This one here is the lively Sture, which is still very active and spouts water 100 feet into the air every few minutes.
Another day, another rhyme, trying to sugarcoat and reconcile, so I can do a dance and make us both forget, only to start it up and play it out again. It's like
I know you aren't feeling the best, so I just want to say thank you for coming with me. I feel like midnight is the perfect time to see these destinations because A, there's nobody else here, and B, it's like the perfect lighting, pink skies, purple skies. That was really special.
Amazing. This is peak time in Iceland, so yeah, come at night. It's so worth it.
We will see you guys in the morning.
Got a very positive, exciting, fantastic day planned.
Honestly, I think it's just gonna keep getting better and better and better. Tomorrow's gonna be like it's your dream come true, isn't it?
I'll see you tomorrow.
See you then.
Well, that is gonna complete our lovely stay here at Blue View Cabins. Wow, what a nice little place to reset, re-shower, regroup, reorganize, recharge. And to this morning, we're going snowmobiling. On a glacier!
Oh my gosh.
From our meeting point, we took a very jacked up rig to the lower base camp, which was about 45 minutes. And then we jumped into our snazzy blue outfits. And another 15-minute ride. What's up with the horn? He's not even moving. To this beautiful glacier. This is the bottom of the glacier. I imagine it's only going to get more and more stunning as we go. specialty. This is so fun. It's super soft and kind of watery, so it's a little slippery if you go up a little slope. These guys just wiped up, but they're all good. Yeah!
Oh my god.
We've only been riding for about 10 minutes. Another rider, I'm pretty sure he's scared shitless. He's fallen twice and he doesn't seem to want to get back on. What's that?
Leave on the glacier. We're gonna leave on the glacier.
He wants to leave him on the glacier.
We're Canadian.
That's not very Canadian of us. I ran back and tried to help him, but I also volunteered to drive his snowmobile. He could sit on the back, so we'll see what he wants to do. Are you having a great time?
Honestly, I can't stop smiling. Like, this is awesome. And apparently we're going to a cave. Did you know we're going to a cave?
Yeah.
Woo!
So sick.
Put that on there. Your American friends want to leave the guy, but you guys are too nice.
Yeah.
It's like,
Most of our audience is American, so we'll probably have to cut that out and not offend anyone.
We are arriving at the glacier area. Just driving along the glacier. You can see the mountain, difference between the mountain and the glacier, but there are rocks in the mountain, but no rocks at the glacier. It's only ice.
We were snowmobiling at 900 meters above sea level. Now we're going down into a natural man-made cave, not man-made, a natural cave, and this is between the glacier and the mountain. What is the difference between the ice that you are making to drink your gin and tonic at home and the ice that you find in a glacier? That's wrong. No. The ice here is actually 90% water and only 10% air, whereas at home it's like 50-50. So that's why it takes much longer for this to melt, and it also takes a lot longer for it to form. Facts with Bec.
Well done.
All right, huge thank you to Mountaineers of Iceland. That was an epic adventure. Hatla was an amazing tour guide.
I would
and
highly recommend that.
That was
super
so fun
tour.
Second largest glacier in all of Europe.
The bus driver's yelling at us.
The bus driver is yelling at us, so we're gonna sign off today's vlog. We hope you guys enjoyed. Subscribe for more from Iceland. We'll catch you in the next one. So bummed not to have the drone that we've made the crazy decision to go straight from the snowmobile excursion to Reykjavik, which is about a 2-hour drive, and we're gonna make it literally just at 6 p.m., which is when all of the photo shops close. We've called ahead, we've asked them to wait for us. So now I'm back here making us dinner on the go. I've got chili from last night in a bag, and that's just how we do. So I hope you enjoy the drone shots. Maybe we'll insert a couple like earlier in this video to supplement, and now you'll know how we got those.
If you guys like drone shots, smash that thumbs up for me.
Join us next week as we drive along the ring road and make the most of Iceland's midnight sun. It's a jam-packed week of glacier climbing, a hot tub in a boat, a breathtaking glacier lagoon, some waterfalls, and a whole lot more. Subscribe so you never miss a video.